smoke corn silk. It's a lot cheaper, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, right on. Yeah, I seen. I got some people that come around. It ain't as happy as it seems, you know. I don't know.
He just lost his train of thought.
Oh, you know.
He lost the train. He missed the train a long time ago.
Right now, man, everybody's arguing about this shit, that shit. If there would have been a white president, you think they would have said, oh, okay. Yeah, give him a salary. Oh, yeah, they're going to pay taxes for 4 more years. And you're paying all these taxes and everything. Oh, yeah, okay, just let them go ahead. It's cool. It's cool with me if they don't have to pay taxes for 4 years. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's ridiculous.
Hey, 139. You know what we got over here? We got these little frogs. We lick them. We lick them to get high. You ever lick a frog before?
Roger, Nighthawk, you sounding good. Coming out of Massachusetts. Hey, good in there? Or almost good night over there in Massachusetts. Hey, 379, New Mexico, standing by.
I gotta say, man, you know, all things considered, he sounds pretty good from New Mexico.
Sound better if he wasn't drinking wine since 11 o'clock this morning. Must smoke another one.
Hey, and that's a Roger, Nighthawk. You take care. Hey, 379, and I'm standing by.
379, go open another bottle of wine.
Oh, come on. I'm fine. I don't need to go over. Why go overboard? When you go overboard, you want to drink some Jack Daniels or Ebony Williams, and then you go overboard. How many people do you hear that went overboard on wine? Come on now.
Just have some more crackers, that's all. It soaks up the alcohol.
Nah, I'm just gonna. I ain't drinking no more, man. 2-3 glasses is good for me. Them little, tiny little. You know what I'm talking. If you drink wine, you know what I'm talking about. Them tiny little glasses, man, and they ain't even filled up either to the
His idea of a glass is a whole damn bottle.
King Cobra or nothing like that.
His glass is a 2-liter bottle. Hey, 339 there. What kind of crackers do you have with your wine? Do you have Ritz crackers?
Man, that's a good slap on